Okay, I got a little project going on. My upstairs in my attic, my drain pan, the secondary drain pan is overflowing. It's not actually overflowing, it have dry rotted, but the primary is not working correctly. So I'm gonna have to bypass that to keep water from getting onto the floor. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this 3/4 inch 45, and I'm gonna take this right here. This is a reducer. This is a reducer 3/4 by 1/2 inch. And once I take the reducer, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some Teflon tape, some pipe thread around that, and I'm gonna put it in like that. And I'm gonna thread this in. And what I'm gonna do is take this hose right here. I'm gonna push it in and put me a clamp on there, and I'm gonna take this upstairs and I'm gonna adapt this and run it out so my drain pan, my secondary drain pan, is not flowing with water. It's not filled with water. So I'm gonna just do this for a temporary fix, so that it's gonna take them about a week to come and change that drain pan. And I'm gonna get both of those drain pans changed, and that's gonna be about $1,600. And I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my glue and my Teflon tape, and we're gonna head upstairs. Okay, we up in the attic, and I'm telling you, it's hot. It got to be at least 150, 160 degrees up here. So I know the next time if I want to go to a sauna, I just go in my attic. But this is what you're looking at. Once I put everything together, you see that little hose? That's the secondary drain, and it's supposed to be draining from that primary, but something's going on in the inside. It may be clogged up. So I'm gonna just put that fitting on that PVC 3/4, run that hose, and this is about 3-4 feet. I'm gonna take that hose and run it, and it fits perfectly in this drain. So I'm gonna just shove it in there, maybe about 4 or 5 inches, or maybe 5 or 6. And that's it. That's just to bypass it until I can get my temporary, or this is temporary until I can get the drain pan replaced and let them find out why my primary is not draining. So I'm gonna turn the AC back on and wait about 10 or 15 minutes, go outside. That's upstairs. You see the water? It is draining through that temporary fix. So that'll keep it from draining on the floor because my pan is dry rotted. And once we moved it, it broke. So it's gonna be dripping on my patio down here. I'm gonna pressure wash it later once I get this fixed. For right now, I'm gonna just take a cooler and just put it on there and just dump it maybe every other day. So if you need to do a temporary fix, that's the way to do it. Just go to Home Depot and get these fittings, because you got to learn how to do some of this stuff yourself, man, because if it's gonna take them a week or two to come and fix this, and I have to go without AC for 2 weeks, oh no, not in Houston. I bet you it's hitting 100 degrees. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.